Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today I created this look using the ItsMyRayeRaye BH Cosmetics palette. If you don't know who Ray Ray is, she is a fellow YouTuber and she had a collaboration with BH Cosmetics. So I used that palette to create this look. I like the way this look came out. If you like the way it came out too, then please keep on watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you guys would like to see from me. And also please subscribe to my channel. So just keep on watching and see how I achieve this look. Starting off, I'm priming my eyes with the LA Girl concealer. And I'm going to set that with some setting powder. Same routine as always. Starting off, I'm going to use the shade Spice as my transition shade. Now I'm going to use the shade Mousse and I'm going to put that on top. Now I'm going to dip into the shade Sunset and I'm going to add that in my crease as well. I'm taking Pancake, which is this really light brown shade, and I'm just going to apply that on another brush just to soften out the edges. Now I'm going to apply Fairy Tale. I'm going to apply that all over my lid. And of course I'm going to spray the brush first just to make sure that that color really pops. For primer, I'm using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. If you've watched all my videos, you know that I'm going to use my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade Warm Coconut. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. I'm going to set that concealer with the Ben Nye Banana Powder. Now I'm going to set my entire face with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder in the shade Cocoa. Going back to the eyes, I'm taking the shade Sunset and I'm going to apply that under my lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply Spice right under Sunset. To contour, I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette, and I know that I'm hitting pan. I bought a new one weeks ago, but I refused to open it until I completely finish this one. To highlight, I'm going to be using French Toast. And I did use 2 highlighters. I just layered them up. But first I'm going to use French Toast, and then I'm going to take the second one, which is Radiant. Now I'm going to bronze up my face with the MAC bronzer. For mascara, I'm using the Tarte mascara to prep my eyes for lashes, and of course I applied those off camera. For lips, I use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Voyager. To set my face, I'm using the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray.